Hey guys, today I'm going to show you some useful keyboard shortcuts for a text editor on Linux. Control-N will create a new document. So as you can see now we have unsaved document 1 and unsaved document 2. Control-O will open a document. So as you can see, as soon as I press that, it goes to Open Files. From here, you just search for the document you're looking for. It could be under Desktop, Documents, Downloads, Music, Pictures, Public, Templates, and Videos. Usually it'd be under Documents. As you can see, I don't currently have any notes saved on my computer, so I'm just going to cancel that. Control-S will save a document. To save it, backspace the name of unsaved document 1, type in the name you want it to be called, select the folder you want to save it in, and then click Save. Control-Shift-S will save the document with a new file name. Backspace the current name and type in the new one. If you go back to Home, you can reselect the folder you want to save it in. This time I'm going to go with Desktop. So it should show up on the desktop of my computer, and I'm going to click Save. Now if I go to the desktop, there it is right there. Control-W will close the document. To open it again, we're going to click Control-O, select the folder the document is in. Mine is in Documents, so I'm going to leave it there. Select it, and then click Open. Control-Shift-W will close all of the documents if you have more than one open. Now I'm going to go ahead and open 8 more notes, so I'm going to click Control-N 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you press Alt-1, it will go to the first note. Alt-2 will go to the second one. Alt-3 will go to the third one. Alt-4 will go to the fourth one. Alt-5 will go to the fifth one. Alt-6 will go to the sixth one. Alt-7 will go to the seventh one. Alt-8 will go to the eighth one. And Alt-9 will go to the ninth one. F9 or FN F9 will show the side pane, and if you press it again, it will hide the side pane. F12 or FN F12 will show the overview map, and if you press it again, it will hide the overview map. F11 or FN and F11 will show full screen, and if you press it again, it will go back to normal. Control-Q will quit the application.